Bethany, is that difficult to open?
No.
Do you want to thank Uncle Jeff and Aunt Heather for that? I'm videotaping you.
How do you open this?
There's Bethany and her friend are working on trying to open this, and they can't.
This is a workout. Yeah, we just worked out for like 4 hours. Why can't we just have a break?
Are you guys having trouble with that?
No.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Why don't you have it open yet, Bethany?
I don't know. Ask her. I do not know.
How long is this going to take?
I don't know. Hours? Maybe a year.
Are you guys wimps? I thought you guys were gymnasts.
Yeah, we're gymnasts, not professional box openers.
But I thought gymnasts are strong.
Yeah, well, we're not professional box openers.
I can't hold this videotape thing forever here, Bethany. You got some time to get this open. Oh, there, you got it. What'd you get?
Wouldn't it be funny if it was an empty box?
No.
Oh. Look in the camera. What do you say, Bethany?
Minecraft.
Bethany, what do you say to
What is that?
Uncle Jeff and Aunt Heather?
Thank you.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with that? Are you going to tape your mouth shut?
Yeah.
Yay!
Do you love your aunt and uncle?
Yeah.
Say thanks.
Then
to
say
your
so.
mother and Uncle John.
Thank you.
Lucas.
No.
Lucas.
Here, take your hand. Mwah! No. There you go.
Thank you, Heather and Jeff. You've made a girl happy by buying her duct tape.
Go figure.
Let